it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to do an unboxing of this month's secret scent box. So yes, the guys at Secret Scents have been kind enough to send me this box this month. So I'm going to open it and show you guys what we get inside. Firstly, I just want to point out that it does come in this lovely, handy, perfect box for fitting through your letterbox, so you do not have to worry about being in to answer the door if you're off out walking or something, or you might not want to answer the door to anybody at the minute. This will fit perfectly through your letterbox. Okay, so once we open it, it does open out nicely, and in here is our box. It's presented in this beautiful black box with the Secret Scents logo on it, and then inside the box we get our perfumes. So this is the May edition. You get in there some little information cards about the perfumes themselves, and then you get the perfumes. So the Secret Scent box is £13 a month, and in there you get 3 different design fragrances every month, and they're enough for a 30-day supply. So they are going to last you the whole month. So basically you pay £13 and you don't need to worry about buying perfume ever again, really. And you get to try some fantastic new scents and things. I really like it as an idea because I'm weird with perfume. Sometimes I have to wear something to kind of tell if I really like it or don't. And the fact that you get to try these, you get to wear them for a month, I think it's just perfect for if you're not sure about buying a fragrance, because you wouldn't want to buy the big bottle and then discover that actually not so keen on it once I've worn it a while. Okay, so let's look at the perfumes that we've got this month. So like I say, each one does come with a little card of information about the specific perfume. So we're just going to start with the first one. I'm going to give it a little spray and let you know what it says on the card. So the first one that we get in this month is by Agent Provocateur, and it is a Agent Provocateur perfume. So the little write-up on the card says that it is the signature fragrance of the house. Its sharp, very intensive, animalistic and very provocative juice has become a modern classic. So in there we get top notes of pure saffron oil and coriander. We get middle notes of rose, jasmine, vetiver, magnolia oil, and then there's base notes of amber and musk. So let's give that a little spray and see what I think. You can tell it's quite a musky perfume. I get that herby kindness about it as well. This is one that's actually perfect for being in this box because it's one that I wouldn't be too sure of if I was just sniffing it. Yeah, I think a wear test would actually tell a lot better with that one. I haven't tried that before, so yeah, that'll be a nice one to give a little go, because like I say, you don't always know about perfume till you've been around it, you've had it on you, so that's perfect. Okay, so the next one in our box is Armani In Love With You Freeze. And the little write-up on this one says, it's a brand new, alluring and soft, delicate fragrance which captures the thrill of the most joyful love, each new day as strong as the first. So the top notes of this are cherry with middle notes of peony, and then they've got base notes of patchouli and white musk. Okay, so it might be another musky one. Let's give it a sniff. Oh, I don't know if I like that one. Yeah, I'm not sold on that one. But like I say, it's one of those things where you do get to try perfumes. You know, Armani's a good brand. Everybody's very different with the smells. Not sure. Not sold. But it is kind of growing on me. I'm weird. I'm probably the worst person to do a perfume testing video. But let's crack on. We've got our third one to go. So our third one is from Marc Jacobs, and it is Pear Splash. So it says it's uniquely delectable and mouthwatering. Marc Jacobs Pear Splash invites you to indulge in a fruity, woody eau de toilette. And it's got top notes of pear, bergamot and lemon zest, with middle notes of juniper, gin accord, freesia, and base notes of musk, teakwood and amber. Okay, so let's give this one a smell. God, I missed the card. Ooh, I like that one. Very fruity. That's my favourite out of the 3, definitely. Lovely fruity fresh scent. I like that one. So there are our 3 perfumes for the month. I think it really is just a perfect way to try new perfumes. Like I say, I'm a bit funny sometimes with scents, but this is absolutely perfect really to try them. Yeah, these ones were kind of, I wasn't too sure of, but I think they're growing on me slightly, and the last one was definitely my favourite. So I'm looking forward to trying those over the month and seeing how I feel. So like I said, £13 for the month, really, I don't think you can complain. They've usually got discounts and different things on their website. I think at the moment there's a code on there that you can get money off your first box, so make sure you check that out before you do order. This is the ladies box, but they do a man's edition too, so it's worth a little try, and if you know somebody who's into fragrance, it is the perfect gift. Okay, so that is today's video, guys. If you've enjoyed, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't, please subscribe, because I've got videos coming as often as I can. And like I said, a lot more coming up. So thank you so much for watching. Drop me a comment, say hi, let me know what you think of the perfumes, let me know if you've tried these ones or what you think of the secret scents box. Just say hi. And until my next video, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.